Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A32 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. Let's tap on this option and then scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and keep tapping on the build number to actually activate the developer options. If you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check our tutorial about them. I've just recorded it so you can learn how to actually use the developer options. So after activating, simply enter the system, tap on advanced, and the developer options will be right there. After entering, we have to scroll down just a little bit to find this option, Automatic System Updates, and simply tap on the switcher. From now on, this option is active, which simply means that you do not really have to manually update your device. However, remember about restarting it from time to time, so your device will actually have a chance to apply the updates. Of course, you can turn this option again just by tapping on the switcher. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.